Tia. I am a photographer, a videographer, especially for social media. I'll have a normal English breakfast, please, with a little bit of milk and tea bag in. I won't say no to slippers. 10 years ago, I was suffering from depression and my business turned it all around. From working with the most amazing brands, I then found that people were very interested in me, my hair, my skin, my clothes. So as my confidence developed through my business, I started to share these things on Instagram. It's been the most amazing journey. If I'm in front of the camera, I have to make sure that my hair and my makeup is spot on. I absolutely loved the hair oil. I use lots of products on my hair and have tried lots of products on my hair. The Taming Balm just calms it down, just gives me that little bit of smoothness. And then once you put the oil on top, the hair oil, it just adds a little bit of shine. So together they work really well. When I was younger, I didn't see role models like me from an immigrant family. There's no representation. When brands choose me to represent their brands, I can't even begin to tell you what I feel. Yeah, I do.
Oh, it's here.
I can't cry.